Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to download PDF file from Safari. First of all, you can open Safari browser. I can already open. Now you can search the PDF file that you want to save to files from Safari. I can search PDF Kamil book, and now you can tap on the first link, or you can just simply select the book or select the PDF, and after this you can selecting the PDF, you can just simply tap on share icon at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the one more option after opening the PDFs, that is save to files. Tap on save to files, and after this you can now tap on save at the top right corner of the screen, and it is the way you can save PDF files from Safari. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.